In this video, we will show you how you can install your faculty LTI app into your Brightspace course management system.
Only users with an administrative role can follow these instructions.
First, log into Brightspace and click the gear icon on the top right-hand side of the screen.
Under the menu for Organization Related, find the Manage Extensibility option. Select Register an App. Name the application RPNow and copy the trusted URL from your install documentation. Make sure you click the button to enable the application and click the button to accept the agreement at the bottom of the screen. Click Register Application. A set of local keys will be generated. Please send the application ID and application key to your organization's distro. You will need to click Show to display the application key. PSI will need these keys to enable the application on our end. The app will not work without this information.
Navigate back to the gear icon and click External Learning Tools.
Click the button to add a new link and name this link Register RPNow Exams and copy the URL from the install documentation provided by BSI. Click Link Keys/Secret and copy and paste the keys provided by PSI. Under Security Settings, choose Use Link Security Settings and check all of the boxes. Select Save and Close. Navigate to Admin Tools and then IMS Configuration to confirm the roles that should be able to use the LTI app. To add RPNow into a course, you'll navigate to the course and choose Course Admin on the navbar. From here, you'll choose Navigation and Themes under Site Setup. The first tab allows you to edit/create navbars. You'll need to make sure you're on the first tab, where you'll create a copy of the main navbar. You should name this something that's pertinent to RPNow, for example, Standard Course Navigation RPNow. You can create a copy by clicking on the little arrow next to the navbar you'd like to copy and selecting Copy. Click on the copy you've created and you'll see a list of links. Click Add Links and then choose Create a Custom Link. Name the link Register RPNow Exams and choose Insert Quick Link. Scroll down and choose External Learning Tools. Then choose the RPNow app you created upon installation. You should choose to have this open in the same window, and under Availability should limit this to specific roles. Make this available to administrators and instructors, then click Create. This link will automatically be selected from the list. Click Add and Save and Close, and the app will be available in the navigation bar. Thank you for watching our video tutorial. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions you may have regarding our app.